Subject Maths, Standard 2nd. Hello students, come back for your class. Children, before I start my new topic, I would like to ask you some questions. So children, do you know how many months are in a year? There are 12 months in a year. Well done. Children, can you tell me when will New Year start? Every first day of the January, New Year start. So let's learn children months of the year. First month of the year is January. J A N U A R Y. January. Second month of the year is February. F E B R U A R Y. February. Third month of the year is March. M A R C H. March. Fourth month of the year is April. A P R I L. April. Fifth month of the year is May. M A Y. May. Sixth month of the year is June. J U N E. June. Seventh month of the year is July. J U L Y. July. Eighth month of the year is August. A U G U S T. August. Ninth month of the year is September. S E P T E M B E R. September. 10th month of the year is October. O C T O B E R. October. 11th month of the year is November. N O V E M B E R. November. 12th month of the year is December. D E C E M B E R. December. Now children, we are going to learn about how many days have in each month. There are 31 days in the month of January. There are 28 or 29 days in the month of February. In March, there are 31 days. In April, there are 30 days. In May, there are 31 days. In June, there are 30 days. In July, there are 31 days. In August, 31 days. In September, there are 30 days. In October, there are 31 days. In November, there are 30 days. In December, there are 31 days. Children, what do you mean by leap year? In which February has 29 days instead of 28 days is known as leap year. Let's learn, children. The year begins with the month of January and ends in December. Then a new year starts again in January. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Point to be remember what we had learned today. The months of the year. January 31 days. February 28 or 29 days. When there are 29 days in the month of February in each 4 years is called leap year. Means when February 1 day is extra comes, that year is known as leap year. March 31 days. April 30 days. May 31 days. June 30 days. July 31 days. August 31 days. September 30 days. October 31 days. November 30 days. December 31 days. We do some activity. Draw the cycle of the month. Example is shown below. In which month do you celebrate these festivals? Independence Day, Republic Day, Christmas, Gandhi Jayanti. Children, look at, this is the calendar. Month of September. Observe the above month and give the answer. Question 1. How many Sundays in the month of September? There are 4 Sundays in the month of September. Question 2. How many days are there in the month of September? There are 30 days in the month of September. On which day do we celebrate Teachers' Day? On every 5th of September, we celebrate Teachers' Day. Arrange the given months in correct order. Fill in the blanks. First, dash is the first month of the year. Second, dash is the last month of the year. Third, dash comes before June. Fourth one, dash comes after October. Fifth one, dash comes between May and July. Sixth one, dash months start with the letter D. I hope children you had enjoyed the lesson very well. Thank you.